Ni hao, I'm Estella, and this is Mandarin X. In this pre-arrival series course, you'll be able to get a good grasp on the basics Mandarin Chinese before you delve deeper into one of the most difficult yet culturally rich languages in the world. Chinese is difficult enough when you start learning it without having to remember that a single word can have 4 different tones and as many as 5 different usages. Essentials of Chinese. Rule number 1. Chinese is a tonal language. 我不想睡觉，我想吃水饺。
我想水饺，我不想吃睡觉。
哈，应该是我不想睡觉，我想吃水饺。
Hello, ni hao, mahaba, stella switche, xin chao, yak she mash.
Learn Chinese with us， 跟我们一起学中文吧。